my last dollar on some courage I could buy. 40 ounces of it and some truck shop in Ohio. Spent 40 days walking and another 40 high, just for you to give me 40 reasons for goodbye. Say why, say why, say why. Well, howdy there pluckers, I've a sore fingers back with you again for hopefully another little ditty for you to learn. This is a new song from Bryan called Say Why, from his latest album. Okay, what you heard there was basically the intro, a verse and a chorus, and then there's just more of the same. Okay, so a little bit tricky, it's a bit of a mind blower. Okay, so let's get through it. So standard tuning, but I do have a capo on the 3rd fret. Okay, 3rd fret capo, standard tuning, and the song's actually in the key of E flat, I think. Okay, there's only 4 chords in the song as such, for the verse and the chorus and the intro. Okay, so basically what we're playing is an A minor, a G, a C, and an F major 7. Which is simple, it's just a straightforward standard F chord, but lift up the bar so the top E string is open, 5 downwards, don't play the bottom E string. Okay, so those are the 4 chords. Right then boys and girls, let's get on with the intro, shall we? Straight into the intro, probably the hardest part of the song. Now then, it's single note picking, so you could use your pick or you could use your fingers, whichever you want. Okay, so starting off with an A minor, first phrase is this. Now from A minor, fret the A minor and you play 5, 3, 2, and then you need to open up the 3rd string. So what I do is I lift up that 3rd finger and play the open 3rd string. You could just take off those 2 altogether and play the open 3rd if you wanted to. Leave that 1st finger where it is, 1st fret, 2nd string, because you need that later. Okay, so it's, if you want to take the 2 fingers away, or you just take the 3rd finger away, whichever is easier. Just need to play the 3rd string open. Okay, so second phrase is this. So after the A minor, you leave that 1st finger where it is on the 1st fret of the 2nd string and add your 3rd finger to the bottom E string, 3rd fret, and you play 6, 2nd string, 3rd string, 2nd string. So you put those 2 together, you've got Then we do, keeping that 1st finger again where it stays put on that 1st fret of the 2nd string, you move that 3rd finger down to the 5th string, 3rd fret, so it just goes down a string, and you play what you did for the G, but on starting with the 5th fret, the 5th string. So you play the 5th string on the 3rd fret, the 2nd string, 3rd string, 2nd string. So now you've got this. Okay. And then the next phrase is an F, part of an F major 7, and it's like okay, what am I doing there? So this again, now the 3rd finger, again keeping the 1st finger where it is, 1st fret, 2nd string, leave that alone, but move this 3rd finger down to the 4th string, 3rd fret. So, and then you play 4, then that 1st fret of the 2nd string. This time you add your pinky to the top E string, 3rd fret. Okay, so you go 5th string, third fret of the 4th string, 1st fret of the 2nd string, add your pinky to that top E string 3rd fret from the capo, and then back to the 2nd string 1st fret. Okay, so now you've got this so far. Okay, that's the first half of the intro. The second half is slightly different. Again, you go back to the A minor, but this time you go 5, 2, 1, 2. So, okay, got that. So now from the beginning you've got this. Okay, then we go back to that G1 again, as we did before, with the bottom E string 3rd fret, first finger on that 1st fret of the 2nd string, as before. 6, 2, 3, 2 again. Then the C type one, where you have the 5th fret, 5th string rather, 3rd fret, same as last time. And then this time, to finish it off, you just move that finger down to the 4th string, 3rd fret, and do 4th string, 2nd string, 3rd string, 3rd string back to 2nd. So it's the same thing, or just working your way down. So okay, and that's your intro. That's the whole intro. So you put the whole thing together, you should have this slowly. Okay, that's your intro. Okay, so a bit quicker would be that's bent my last. Then we're coming to the verse, and this is basically the same chords again. It's like, but this time it's somewhat easier. All you really need to do is to play that repeated. So it's all you need is that, to start with, is that 1st fret of the 2nd string, and you go 5, 2, 3, 2. That's the first bit. So it's well, I spent my last dollar. And then you do the G1, 3rd fret, bottom E string, 6, 2, 3, 2. That's right. Well, I spent my, that's 5th string, start on the A minor one. And then you do the C1, and then the F1. Okay? It's like the last phrase of the intro. Okay? So I spent my last dollar on some courage I could buy. The next line is exactly the same. Repeats 40 ounces of it at some truck stop in Ohio. Okay? The third line is slightly different. It starts off the same. Spent 40 days working on another 40. Now this is on the last bit, the F bit. Instead of going, it does that on the third line. So it's exactly the same shape. 1st fret of the 2nd string, 4th string, 3rd fret. But this time it's 4th string, and then you go to the 2nd string, then the open top E string, and then back to the second string. So on the third line only. Okay, so it's spent my last dollar on some courage I could buy. 40 hours for some truck stop in Ohio. Spent 40 days walking and another 40 high. That's that different one on the third line, okay? Then the last line is the same. Just for you to give me 40 reasons for goodbye. That's the same as usual, the 5, 2, 3, 2. Right? Right then, boys and girls, let's do what we've learnt so far, the intro and the first verse. Okay, so here we go slowly. Spent my last dollar on some courage I could buy. 40 ounces of it at some truck stop in Ohio. Spent some 40 days walking and another 40 high. Just for you to give me 40 reasons for goodbye. Okay, got the idea? Then we go into the chorus, right, and this is strummed, okay, and it's, you know, it's basically, say why, say why, say why, say why. Okay, so this is the full chords again, same chords we used in the verse, but strummed. So it's A minor to G, however you wish to play it, that way or that way. C to F major 7th, which is just an F chord, standard F chord, simple F chord, but lift up the bar, first finger there, lift it up so the top E string is open, 5 downwards. Should sound like that, 5 downwards. Don't play the bottom E string, okay? So it's like just A minor to G, C to F major 7th. So it's say why, say why, say why, say why. And then he just does another verse, okay? Now, obviously the second verse onwards you could just strum it rather than pick it. It's up to you. You can do whichever way you like, okay? If you want to strum it, it's exactly the same chords as the chorus. So it's spent 40 days drowned out, 40 days sober, spent smoking cigarettes and quoting Bible verses on the sofa. You said that I was lost, just an eye for an eye. So I carried a cross and the bar last night. Say why, say why, yeah why, say why. That sort of thing. Excuse the singing, it's just for just for reference, okay? It's not meant to be a copy. So there we have it, boys and girls. It's just more of the same after that. More verses, more choruses, okay? Hopefully you understood what I was trying to show you there. Not the easiest song to play actually when you're picking it and sing it at the same time, but there you have it. It's my take on it, and hopefully it's fairly accurate, okay? Anyway, see you soon. Bye for now for another lesson. Okay, bye.